In some ways, it is trial by fire, the whole like no plan survives battle, right? Like we've all heard that cliche. But I think embracing that as a reality ahead of time, and whether you think of that as like a mindset sort of thing, but like knowing that, like, no kidding, whatever you think you have perfectly outlined now, like once you put that out into the world, whether it's because of the feedback you get, good or bad, your own ideas changing, whatever, like it's going to evolve. So I think starting out by balancing that commitment to a foundation and like to your roots of whatever that may be, but also a willingness to be dynamic and be flexible, as sort of a wave top answer. And then specifically, I think just being a consumer of knowledge, so being willing to go to conferences. I mean, that's kind of how I started. I went to some entrepreneurial conferences. Some were better than others, but it definitely got the ball rolling for me beyond just the idea of like wanting to run a business or wanting to write a book or, having these kind of not as easy to define ideas, but just concepts, and then actually going through the process of hearing from other entrepreneurs who had gone before me. And then it took me a little while to kind of find the right fit too. So I had a few mentors at first who I would give credit and give thanks to them, like kind of getting the ball rolling for me, but who weren't really a good fit. And it took me trying a couple different things with my business in the early days to realize, okay, the model that they were promoting didn't really work for me, and I needed to adjust that. But I think seeking out mentors is a huge one. Like you don't know it all. Even if you're an expert in whatever your given area is, just reaching out like crazy. Like that was like just the biggest thing I did early on, both in seeking mentors and then also just for like kind of getting my work out there. So through writing, through interviews, through offering free health coaching to veterans when I was very, very first starting, things like that. So being willing to find people who will also sort of let you test the waters and will give you feedback on whatever your given product is, whether it's a product or a service, I think.